Hi guys, today I wanted to talk to you about our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Alright, so today I wanted to come on here and I wanted to give you guys all the details on our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I cannot believe we're at 5,000 subscribers. I never would have imagined a year ago this is where we would be, but we are, and I am so excited, and I just really wanted to show my appreciation to all of you guys for all of the support. So the giveaway is going to start December 1st, and I'm going to give you guys 2 weeks, so it'll go from December 1st to December 15th. We'll go ahead and put in the link where you guys can go to submit your entries. There's going to be ways for you to get multiple entries, and I'll go ahead and make sure we put those links on our other social media platforms, YouTube stories, all of those places, so it's very easy for you guys to find. Make sure you click on it. That's the only way you're going to be able to enter. And there's going to be a lot of different ways for you to earn extra entries, because I just really wanted to make sure that you guys could enter and have a really great chance at winning this prize. So more information on the actual giveaway itself and what you're going to get. You're going to get 5 wigs. I went ahead and really picked 5 styles that I love, that I wear all the time, I talk about all the time. One's gonna be a headband wig. One's gonna be a short, curly, banged bob. You're gonna be able to pick the color of that one that you want, because I have it in every single color and they're all amazing, and I wanna give you guys the choice of which color you're gonna want in that one. You're also gonna get 2 other wigs that I absolutely love. They're gonna be a little bit of a surprise. And then I'm also going to be letting you guys pick out a wig of your choice from Chelsea Smith Cosmetics, because I love all of those wigs. As you guys know, if you know me, probably 95% of my wig collection is from Chelsea Smith Cosmetics. So I wanted to also give you guys a chance and a choice to pick out one of her wigs as well. So you're gonna get all 5 of those wigs. 2 of them, one you're gonna have a variation choice of the color, and the other one you're gonna be able to pick out completely on your own. So you're also gonna get some of my absolute favorite and must-have wig care products. You're gonna get Got to Be Glued spray, Got to Be Glued glue, so that you can glue your wigs down if you want to. You're gonna be getting a couple different kinds of wig brushes that I absolutely love, wig comb, a couple different kinds of wig grips. I have a wig grip, wig cap combo for you. I've got a velvet wig grip for you. You're also gonna be getting just a lot of other really awesome stuff. Some knot concealer, root spray, just all of the things that you guys see me use in my videos all the time. I really wanted to put together a kind of all-in-one bundle that's really gonna be everything you need to either get started with wigs or to kind of elevate your wig collection and your wig game. So there's gonna be a ton of stuff in here. I cannot wait for you guys, whoever wins this, it's gonna be totally amazing, and I cannot wait to see all of this stuff. I cannot wait to see the pictures and just everything. I'm so excited, and I really wanted to make this a really big giveaway for you guys. Another thing, you do not have to make any types of purchases to enter into this. You're just gonna have to click on that link. And then I'm also gonna go ahead in the description down below, put a very detailed list of all the things you're gonna get in this giveaway. I'll put the links there as well. You don't have to buy any of this stuff, but it is a good list of all the things that I recommend and love if you're starting out with wigs. And it also gives you an idea of what you're gonna be getting if you win this amazing, awesome giveaway. I hope you guys are as excited about this as I am. I cannot wait to find out who's gonna win this, and I cannot wait. I'm just so excited, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this last year with us. And if you are new, thank you so much for coming and hanging out. And make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you get notification on all the videos I do in the future. Give me a like on this video, and thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one.